Namaste. Welcome to Monday Bites from Chitra. Like the channel, share it to your friends, and subscribe the channel. Write your comments in the comment box, and thanks for encouraging me more videos. Hope everyone are at good health and happy driving, safe driving from Chitra. In February, the heat is on very high, so please carry steel bottle in that water with you. Make yourself you are not getting dehydrated. Drink more water, plenty of water in this summer. And let's fasten our belts to take you to the today's topic is FASTag. How do I install FASTag? How do I book a FASTag? Recently, we sold a BMW iX1 to my client, and he had a doubt that how do I install FASTag, because there is no registration number. With the engine number and the chassis number also, you can get your FASTag installed. So all is simple, is go to any of the banking website. Let's say your HDFC or Axis or any bank website, you can go. There's a process to be followed to book a FASTag. Once you book a FASTag, the money gets debited from your account and you will receive a FASTag like this. Once you receive this, please open the FASTag and clean the glass windshield and then paste the FASTag like this. So it is easy for people to scan at the toll gate, and you have to link it to your mobile which you have linked with your bank. So the money has to be recharged, the FASTag has to be recharged there. Let's say you recharge 500 rupees. So whenever you cross the toll, there's a deduction of 60, 70, whatever the prescribed amount is, that will be deducted. You will receive a message. So make sure your balance is more than 150 rupees in your wallet of FASTag. If you don't have a FASTag, the toll will charge you double and you have to wait in line, queue, and etc. You will get FASTag. If you have missed taking the FASTag, you can get in the FASTags available sold nearby the tolls also. So any videos, if you like this video, share it to your friends and relatives and your contacts peer. And if you want me to do some videos useful for other people on this topic of cars, related to cars, please write your comments in the comment box. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think Chitra Cars. Thank you.